Hey guys, so in my last video I showed you how to replace the engine air filter on my 2015 Nissan Altima, and in this video I'm going to show you how to replace the cabin air filters. They are located underneath the glove box and the passenger seat. There is a little latch right here that you can see, and they're supposed to be a cap, but for some reason whoever was working on my car the last time took it off and didn't put it back on. So yeah, then you just grab your air filter and you just shove it right in here. I already took the old one out. Let me see if I can do this while I'm holding my phone. All right, I was able to push it in a little bit. What you can do in the beginning is you can push this up or squeeze it together, and then you slide it in. And here, let's see. Now it's in, and since I don't have a lid, can't put one on it. So this is the cabin air filter that I ordered on Amazon, and there are some instructions that come with it also. So this will make it easier. And that's how it's done. That's how you replace a cabin air filter on a 2015 Nissan Altima. Every car is a little bit different. I believe the older models require tools to get to the cabin air filter. Yeah, so let me know if you have any questions. If you found this video helpful, give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel for more videos. Bye!